Say hi, Harry.
Hi, Harry.
Called fernification. So it's a very different process to how your freezer ice is formed. So the ice in your freezer, it starts its life as water, you add proper temperatures, it freezes, you've got ice. Easy as that. That ice is about 50% air. So glacial ice starts its life as snow. So snow is about 90% air, you know, it's super light and fluffy and Disney-like. What happens is we get about 10 square meters of snow up on the Columbia Icefield, which you can kind of see the tips of it right now through the front windscreen. So you get about 10 square meters of snow up there per year, and each fresh layer of snow gets heavier and heavier as more snow piles on top. And then eventually what will happen is that snow will start pressing down on the layers beneath it, and it will start squeezing out all of those air particles. So it starts creating this very, very dense glacial ice, which is only about 10% air. So it's so dense that it acts like a prism, which is why it looks so blue. It absorbs all of the colours of the light spectrum apart from the blue rays, which get refracted back into your eyes. It is here at the turnaround point. You may help yourself to some of the glacial melt water. So there'll be some streams flowing on either side of the turnaround point here. I would definitely suggest, if you want to try some, take some from the moving water rather than the still water, just because there are sometimes pollutants in there. The water is, has a very, very high mineral content. It's very fresh and delicious. It's also been said to have some youthful healing properties. So I try and have some of this water at least kind of once a day. And I've been doing this job for about 100 years now, so I think it's working pretty good. I still don't look a day over 15.
Drink some of that water. Oh, it's good. It's good. Get down there, take a drink. It's good for you. Delicious. You gotta have some. Oh, you want to live to be 100, don't you? Delicious.
Yeah, we didn't bring it on.
Right.
paddle boards. That'd be pretty fun, I'll bet.
Yeah. for about 3 seconds.
There you are.